Hi guys, it's Sandeep from Phone Arena and we're here at the LG booth in MWC 2016 and we're going hands-on with the LG 360 cam, which is a device that is used to capture 360-degree videos or 360-degree photos, much like the other implementations from Ricoh, such as the Ricoh Theta. So let's take a look at what this device has to offer us. So guys, here this is the LG 360 cam as they call it, and this is basically a device that has two spherical lenses on either side. It basically has two 13 megapixel cameras on either side that makes it possible to capture full 360-degree photos. So it basically doesn't need to really stitch the photos like you do in a photosphere, but it just takes two different photos and then combines it, which in turn creates a 360-degree photo that you can actually use and scroll through and even check in full detail. So the maximum resolution that it can capture is actually 16 megapixels when the two images are combined, and it can even record videos at a maximum resolution of 2560 by 1280 pixels at 30 fps. So that's really interesting since it can actually do video as well. So the hardware part of this is basically the camera shutter button over here. Pressing this would actually take a photo, while pressing and holding it would record video. There's a microphone built in here as well as on these sides. So there's a total of 3 microphones for good audio while recording video. There's a 9-axis sensor as well as 5.1 channel audio recording if you need it. It also has an SD card slot at the bottom to take photos and store videos as well, and there's a USB Type-C port too. So this basically can connect to your smartphone like they're showing it over here. So this is connected to the smartphone through Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi BGN and it also has Bluetooth functionality. Now the demo here is a bit slow since there's so many devices over here being shown, and as a result the entire demo is a bit slow, but even then you can see how this actually functions. So if you look at the interface, you'll see that it even has advanced options such as white balance, the ISO, the shutter speed, exposure lock. You have a way to switch between both the cameras. If you want to just take half of the image, there's a manual setting as well. You can see that it's recording audio in 5.1 channel. There's a geotag, the white balance, as well as the ISO and the other settings too. So let's go ahead and actually take a photo now. So what I'm going to do is actually take a photo using the shutter button on the LG 360 cam itself, but there's also a shutter button on the phone. So for all demonstration purposes, I'll show you using this now. And it actually captured the image right now, and now when you head into a gallery you can actually see the image. It might take a while to load now because of the Wi-Fi issue, but okay, it has actually loaded already. So this is how you view it. So you can either pan through it, so as you can see it's a full 360-degree view. You can even see my thumb. That's how wide the angle of coverage is on this thing. So you can see my thumb, you can see my head, you can see Siraj over here, and you don't even have to actually scroll through it. All you have to do is just tilt it and the smartphone rotates the image depending on how you want to view it. You can go up and down, left and right, and you can actually see it. There's even a method to actually download this onto your phone and view it through the VR headset that LG has. You can also connect to other VR headsets, I'm assuming, and actually view this content on that. So this is a really nice way to get a 360-degree photo and actually transfer it to your camera really quick. Ricoh also have similar devices known as the Theta and the Theta S, but this is LG's own implementation and it is actually quite a bit smaller too. There's a power button over here and also mode indicator which shows you whether you're taking 360-degree photo or just half the photo. So let's go ahead and even try the other mode, which basically allows you to take just half the photo. So this is a 180-degree photo mode. So let's do a selfie with the 180-degree photo. So now I'm going to use the shutter over here on the camera itself, on the phone's interface itself. So I take the photo and it's captured the photo, and let's take a look. So this is the 180-degree photo, and this too is quite detailed. As you can see, it takes 16 megapixel photos in 360-degree mode, but in this case it actually takes 30 megapixels since it's using just one lens. So you can also download these images. If you head over here into the gallery, you can see that you can download the images onto the phone by using this button. So it's actually downloading it onto a phone. Now you can actually use it to view it on the LG 360 VR by just connecting the USB Type-C cable to it. So that was a quick look at the LG 360 cam from here at the LG booth in MWC 2016. If you like the video, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.